The activity that we will be doing today is called Cars in a Garage. For this activity, you will need your task card and you will need 3 toy cars. Today we are using a yellow bus, a black taxi, and a blue Volkswagen. For this task, you're going to use your 3 cars and 3 different parking spaces in a garage. Your job is to find all the different ways that you can park the 3 cars in each of the 3 different garages, and you are going to record this in your journal. So the first thing we need to do is switch over to our journal, and you need to record today's date and the title, Cars in a Garage. Please notice that the C in cars and the G in garage are both capitalized as this is a title, and it is underlined. Please pause the video while you finish writing in your journal. Now that you're finished, we're going to go back to our task card. We're going to take each one of our cars and place them into one of the parking spaces. The first one we are going to do together. So we are going to take our yellow bus and we are going to park it in the first space. We are going to take our black taxi and park it in the second spot. And we are going to take our blue Volkswagen and park it in the third spot. So now we have the yellow bus, the black taxi, and the blue Volkswagen. We're going to record that set of cars into our journal under number 1. So we're going to make a 1. And again, we have our yellow taxi. So we're going to draw that in first. We then have our black taxi. We're going to record that second. And we have our blue Volkswagen, and we are going to record that third. Pause the video while you finish recording your cars in order. Once you have that finished, you're going to see how many different ways you can place these 3 different cars in each of the parking spots. As you do each one of your patterns, you're going to record that in your journal. So for number 2, take your cars and put them in a different order and then record them in your journal, making sure that you check back with the patterns that you've already done so that you're not repeating any of the patterns that you've already done. In other words, we're not going to put a yellow, a black, and a blue in that order again. We're going to do a different order this time. See how many different ways you can place the 3 different cars in each of the parking spots. Please pause the video while you complete that task. Now that you have completed your task, you're going to look at your list. How many different ways could you put these cars in the 3 different spots? Did you end up with a black, a blue, and a yellow? Did you have yellow in the middle one of the times? And how many different ways could you place those on your parking spots? Please check with your partner and have a conversation to see if you have all of the different ones that are possible.